In this demonstration, we're going to have a look at how we can enable and use remote assistance. So Don, as a user, needs help with a Microsoft Word feature. He's requested assistance and we need to provide guidance on this feature by using remote assistance. So what we'll do, we'll just log in as Don, already done. So we'll just come into Microsoft Word. Within Microsoft Word, all we're going to do here is we're just going to create a little document, and Don's going to type in, "This is my document." And the next thing he's going to do here is he's just going to save this off. And he's saved that off. Now he's not sure what he's doing, so at this point here, what Don's now going to do is Don is now going to use the remote assistance functionality that we get within Windows 7 to actually send a remote assistance request. So we'll click on Start here, and all we'll do in the little search here is we'll just do a remote assistance. Right, what Don's going to do is invite someone he trusts to help him. And what we're going to do is we're going to send the invitation as a file. Now we could send it as an email, but I don't have an email system. I could use EasyConnect, but I don't have that functionality either. So we will send it as a file. Now what we're going to do in the case of this file here, all we're going to do is we're just going to save it off. So we're going to call it invitation, but what we're going to do is we're actually going to save it in a network location. So what we'll do, we'll just do // lon-dc1 /users /public, and what we'll do then / and we'll just put Don's -invitation. So we'll save that off. So that's now saved. So we need this number here to speak to our helper. Now our helper is going to be the administrator user. So as the helper, I'm just going to log into my machine here. I'm just going to log in as administrator. Next thing I need to do here is I just need to navigate through to the file that Don created. So into Windows Explorer. Within Windows Explorer, all we need to do here is just go to the public folder. So we've got the users, and then public. And then we've got Don's invitation here, so we'll just double click on this. Right, next thing I need to do is just provide the password, so I'll just type in the password. Now I've entered the password, next thing to do is just click OK. Right, so we're just waiting for acceptance. So all we're going to do here is we're just going to come back to LonCL1. After connecting, it says administrator will be able to see whatever's on my desktop, so I'll just say yes to this. As we can see here, we can pause the session. Maybe I need to type in a password and I don't want the administrator to see it. Maybe I want to chat through to the person that's actually dealing with me. Probably I will be dealing with them on a phone. We've got our settings here as well. So we can decide to save this log of this session, change contact information when we're using EasyConnect. We can decide on the bandwidth usage. So by increasing the bandwidth usage, the administrator is going to see better desktop experience. So we'll just cancel that. And then what we've got as well is we've got the ability to just kill this thing off. So what we'll do is we'll just come back to the domain controller, and what we can see here, we can see exactly what Don's typing. So if we just come back a bit, and all we'll do here is we'll just come into Microsoft Word. So we come into Microsoft Word, and if I just quickly go back here, we can see the Word screen here. We'll just come back to CL1. So, Don's not sure about how to print. We can talk through to him how to print and explain to him exactly what he needs to click on. So if we just come back along DC1, again, we can see anything that he can see on the other end. And that's the end of this quick demonstration of actually using the Windows Remote Assistance. Thanks.